Hello, this is Chris Barrett of Auditel with an energy price update on the 8th of October 2021. Another week of volatility in the energy markets, no surprises there, but we saw some specifically extreme movements. On Wednesday, we saw prices rising significantly in the morning up to new records, only for them to crash away after Russia announced that they would or might increase gas flows to Europe to help us out. A somewhat thinly veiled opportunistic move by Putin to help expedite the completion of the Nord Stream 2 pipeline that is undergoing a process of regulatory approval as we speak. However, we saw prices continue to fall yesterday morning on the back of all that, only for them to recover again as the day went through. As a consequence of this, we're seeing energy prices being pulled left, right and centre by energy suppliers. Many suppliers have dropped out of the winter market altogether, refusing to quote for anything earlier than April, and other suppliers only focusing on renewals and not acquisitions. Such is the concern they have about their exposure to the market at this point. I think really one of the most important things to be considering at the moment is what's going to happen in the future, particularly for those customers with contracts still left to go in winter and even in early 2022. There are growing signs that there's little optimism about energy prices, not only now for the front seasons ahead of us, but also looking forward. This on the back of the fact that energy is now such a globalized commodity in such high demand, and with the likes of Asia being able to afford premiums on LNG, for example, energy supplies are getting harder and harder to come by. Overall, it's a big pointer to the fact that we need to wean ourselves off fossil fuels. But in the meantime, I think we are looking forward to a fairly bleak and volatile future in the short term. So I would advise all customers to be taking stock and to make sure that their budget setting process take into account these considerations and not rely on renewing the budgets at the same kinds of levels that they're paying at the moment. If you've got any questions about this or anything else that Auditel can offer, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.